Do you know you can get so many views? Do you know you can go viral? Do you know you can get so many followers just by duetting other people's videos? If you look up there, that is a video that I duetted. That video is the very first video that had given me 1 million views. You can see where I circled. I have 1 million views on that video. I duetted that video. Now, so many people, they don't duet other people's videos. Why? And some do, but they're not doing it the right way. This is what this video is all about. I'm going to take you step by step and teach you how you can duet other people's video to go viral, to get followers. Yes. One video can give you over 900 followers. I'm going to demonstrate it using this particular video that I'm talking about. So if you're interested, don't forget to follow me, share, like, and save this video, as I'm going to take you step by step and show you the right way to duet a video and get followers and go viral. Yeah. So let's go. Start. I'm going to show you the analytics of that particular video that I just said had given me 1 million views. And when I'm done, I'm going to show you how to duet the right way so that you can get views and get followers. I'm also going to show you how many followers I got from just that one video. Just pay attention to this video and you will see what I mean. I'm going to show you the analytics of that video. This is the video. It has given me, let me stop it. It had given me 1 million views. And shares is 1.7 thousand shares. Now, let me show you other metrics, other analytics of this video. So what I do, you go to your, you go to the 3 lines up here. You click on, that is the hamburger. You click on it, then click on settings and privacy. So here you click on analytics. And what we want to check is content. So we're going to click on content here and select the particular content. This is the video I was talking about, yeah? It's gotten 178,000 views in the last 7 days. So let's click on it and get other information as regarding to this video. So with the information we have here, 1 million views, 11,000 likes, 368 comments, 1,693 shares, and people that had saved it, 754 saves. Now, this is the overview, the analytic overview of the video. Okay, so here you see total play time is this, total average watch time, new followers. Followers I got because of this particular video. Just one video had given me 922 followers. Right? This is what I'm telling you guys, that you can duet someone's video and go viral with that video and get so many followers. Now, what is the source of the traffic for this video? As you can see here, for you, 99.1% saw this video on the For You page. So, if you have engaging content, you will definitely get views. Let me take you and show you how to duet correctly. When you see a video you like, duet it, but how do you do the duetting correctly? That is what I'm going to show you. Now, the very first step is this. Let's say I want to duet this video. This is my 3rd most viewed video on my page. It's got 952,800 views. What you will do is click on the video. This video reply is for you. I just stopped it because of the volume. So click on the video. Now, when you click on the video, these 3 dots here, you can see the 3 dots there. Click on that. Now, when you click on this, down here, there is save video, add to story, gain followers, and then just slide. You will see where it says duet. Yes. Remember, you can duet this video. You can also stitch it. If you check here on this duet, on the video you want to duet is not highlighted, that means there is a setting on that particular video by the content creator. He or she doesn't want people to duet the video. Some content creators are like that. They don't want people to duet or stitch their video. So if you come across such videos, where the content creator had hidden this duet button so that nobody would duet it. Leave it, look for another video and duet. Now, let's say you found the particular video you want to duet. All you need to do is click here that says duet. Now, when you click on that, as you can see, the video I want to duet is on the right hand side because of the icon selected here. First and foremost, let's go and select the effect that we want to use. So here, the effect that is selected is Gold Coast. Yes, I want to use another effect. You see down here where it says view all effect. You click on that. Now, when you click on that, you can select from the trending ones. It's up to you. Like this one is so beautiful. Yeah, I don't mind using this one. Yeah. Now, you select the effect you want and you click out. Now, the effect is there. Now, let me also tell you that you can change the landscape of the video. For instance, if I click on the very first one here, the video I'm duetting is up while my speaking video is down, right? Now, you can also select the second one. The video I'm duetting now is somewhere up, very small up there, while my own video, the speaking video is down, is taking the whole screen, right? Now, you can also select this one, which is the very first one that we had, or you can select this one. So this one is green screen. You can just position it as you want. You can see the video I'm duetting is there while my own video is there. Can you see? Right? So this is it. Or you can make your video to take the whole space. It's entirely up to you. Can you see? Now, the one I love, the one I want to use for this duet is this one. When you're duetting a video, don't just sit there like this and be looking. No, your reaction is what will attract people to want to watch that video. Yes, when you're duetting a video and they're doing something, if it's something that you need to jump, oh my goodness, like react to what you're duetting. This one is not going to be like that because this is a tutorial video, but let me use it and just give the example. So what you need to do next is click on record. This video reply is for a user who says, how can I recover my TikTok video I've just deleted? Please tag me. Yeah, that's all right. I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted TikTok videos. So first step, go to the three lines up there and click on that. Now look down and click on settings and privacy. Click on report a problem. Right click or click on order because you have to explain why your video is deleted. So now you have to click on no because what you've seen previously, it didn't solve your problem. So click on no and then click on need. Okay guys, so that is that. As you can see, the way I did the duetting of that particular video. You don't have to be static when you are duetting a video. You have to show reactions. You have to go with the rhythm of the video. If it's a video that is funny, I mean, laugh. If it's a video that you can, that needs, action, body reaction, do it based on the video that you're duetting. Now, this is where I'm going to leave it today. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to save, like, and share this video. Till next time, you're welcome.